Hello guys, today I will tell you how to copy XRP wallet address in Coinbase wallet. Let's get started. So first what you need to do is open the Coinbase wallet application on your device. Look for the three-line menu icon located in the top left corner of your screen. This appears as a grid of 9 small dots. Tap this menu button. From the options that appear, select the receive option which should be clearly visible. This will bring up a panel showing various cryptocurrency options you can receive. Use the search function to find XRP or scroll through the available options until you locate it. Tap on XRP to select it as your desired cryptocurrency for receiving funds. Your unique XRP wallet address will now appear on your screen along with a QR code. To copy this address, tap the copy button next to your address field. Alternatively, you can click the three dots in the top right corner and select copy or share. This copies your specific XRP address, which you can then send to anyone who needs to send you XRP. Remember that each cryptocurrency has its own unique address within Coinbase wallet, and that's how you copy an XRP wallet address in Coinbase wallet.